Hey Khaled, how are you, buddy? No, what do you mean no? You should have. Can you hear me now? Hey Saif, hey Khaled. Can you guys hear me? Hey Robert G. Okay, you hear me? You hear me good? Okay, that's good. All right, good, good, good. All right, all right. So it's UFC. I keep saying UFC. I have UFC on my mind, but you know what? The FOMC meeting is gonna feel like the UFC in a minute here. There's gonna be a whole lot of punching and a whole lot of punching going on. That's for sure. So we're gonna mark the price. It's gonna be critical. Here about in a minute. Let's see, line and width. Let's just go 5 and go with that. Oh shit! Here we go. Damn it. Holy crap. All right. Well, it is 377, and we got ourselves a push here. Okay, man, that was quick. Oh, you guys are ready for this shit? It's gonna be a one contract trading here. So we got that going on, and okay, so switch trade on the 100, and I'm looking for an entry point on the short side. Okay, and go, baby, go, 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 go. Boom. Thank you. Oh, yeah. That was a good one. Short. Yeah, that was short. I'm gonna scalp this just till we figure it out a little bit. Look at this. It's gonna be all right, all right. Let's play that again. I mean, we know what they're doing. Let's just stay focused. Play this game correctly. You have 200 and 100 out of sync. I mean, in sync. You had the switch trade on the 100 into Rinko. That's what got me in right here. Yeah, yeah, you have to have a little bit of risk capital on this one. But I'm going to be playing the game of one contract, maybe two. Okay, so that's that. That's fine. Let them do that game here. Ooh, a captain setup. They're going to do a captain setup here. They're going to run it up. Oof. Yep, they're going to run it up a little bit. My stop is right here. See, they're going to work or not. That was quick, though. That, like, yeah, that was quick. They slipped me, too. That's fine. It was a switch trade. That's fine. Just one contract. I'll play this game. Let's go. Let's go. 200 and the 100 are out of sync, so you're getting a pocket. You're getting resistance up in harmony zone number 1, plus you have the bottom end of the Globex band. So I need to kind of let's make sure that we're not Yeah, that's okay. All right, let's play. Let's play. So far, a break under 300. So a break under 300. Yeah, we're doing good SNK. I mean, we're gonna play the FOMC. I had two trades. One was a stop. One was a profit. So let's play. Let's play. If they put on a switch trade here, I'm gonna jump in. No, they're not doing that. Okay, that's fine. Okay, let's see if I can get a push. That's not what I want to see at all. Okay, let's see it. Let's see it. Let's break that 300. You gotta break the 300. My stop is right here, and I'm gonna lower it here in a second. I'm gonna add to it if we get below this level. I added to it. Come on, baby, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, come on. Don't get greedy, George. Don't get greedy. I took one off. It was looking so good. Yeah. Come on. Yes, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. We're going looking good. Looking good. And my stop is going to go right here. That's fine. I got to get out. I got to get out of that trade. It was very promising toward that 84. So this is a big deal right here. If I can get to 325, we can get to 325. That's the captain setup long. Oh yeah, holy crap! Here we go. I'm gonna add in that one. And this has a target of 44 or higher. Target is 330 on this one. Really? I gotta reduce my exposure here. Right, just keep it as a one contract thing. Because if I'm gonna stay in 3 contracts, it better be moving. This is a captain set up long. So we want to see them really hitting 330 very quickly. No bueno. Here we go. That's what I want to see. Let's see it. We got to break that 20. Just gonna keep it at a one contract. Okay, so I got to get out of this trade. All right, I got to get out of this one. All right, that's fine. That's fine. If we start breaking anything above 12, I'm going to jump back in. It's a wild one. I knew it. Okay. Let's see. 93. Okay, so we got to protect 93. I mean, they have a captain set up long on the 100, so that's just the area of support that's holding up the price. I'll give it a shot here. And we need to push into that level up there. Yeah, it's not going to do it. Damn it. I'm going to keep it very tight. Very tight. So either it's going to work quick or not. If they run it up to 1775, I'm gonna have to jump back in. Yeah, and let him run it. Let him run it. Let him run it. Can I get like something bigger here, like 334? I have an add-in opportunity if I can get above here, 25.75. Hmm. 21. Stop is below 300. Oh yeah, that's gonna be ugly. So right here, and then my stop is gonna be under 90. Let's see if I can get out. My stop is right here. It's either gonna work or not. Yeah, it's not gonna work. Well, they put on a captain setup here. I'll add, and then we're looking for a big move. Yep. I mean, that stop is a good one, and I'm looking for a run up to 22, and I'll add to it along the way, and ultimately I want to see 35. Thank you. I'll take the second one here and we're gonna go break even, and I'm gonna push this one way out there, and let's see if I can stick around. Let's see if I can stick around, for God's sake. If this holds, it's gonna be a big trade, like really big trade. Otherwise, I'll get stopped out for break even on the rest. you bastard. Woo-wee. I know it's a nice one, but good lord, I needed a pullback that's a little bit shallower on this one. But this is where we at for the day. Let me see. It's kind of messy, to be honest with you. That's why I don't necessarily like. Let me see here. Look at that. Now it's gonna run, right? So that's the shenanigans that's going on, and this trade really made some money, and we are basically 259. We started the session or the FOMC meeting session at up 460. So we gave a little bit of ground up, but it's not over yet. Once we catch this and we figure them out, they're gonna pay. They're gonna pay big. That's what's gonna happen. All right. Okay, so what are they doing? They're holding on to this captain setup. I mean, I'm telling you, if this is gonna hold, it's gonna be a big trade into the 60s all the way to the 75s. So I may want to be like buying the pullbacks, and you know, because my stop is like 394 all the way to the low, depending on how much risk I'm willing to take. I mean, we're running into resistance. I mean, we're getting a disconnected market, but that is the structure of the market right now. So these stops that I took right here, I mean, they're just basically nonsensical. I mean, you're going to be too tight in this range, which makes sense to be tight, but you're getting a lot of noise in this market. A close of this candle right here at 318 can position us for a potential run up, but I'm going to be more like taking the scalping version of these trades than a swing trade. Nope, ain't gonna fail me. They're not gonna fail me. They are not gonna fail me here. So I'll keep and see if we can get a quick pullback. Most likely I'll get it. All right, I'm gonna cancel that order and just wait. That's the stop right here, and we're looking for a punch up. I took one contract off, and I'm gonna go break even. Either it's gonna move and move quickly, or they're gonna come back and stop me. I really don't care. I mean, I gotta protect my risk here. We got a 35 target. We have a 46 target. Yeah, here we go. Thank you, 46. Let's move it to 35 and see if I can get 46. I couldn't have added to this trade even if I wanted to. It just moved so quickly. I'm gonna get out of this trade right here. I gotta get out of this target here. It's pausing. That was a good one. That was a good one. All against that captain setup, and that's why I started going long and long and long. That's how they really reverse the market. Okay, good for them for getting to that target, but I had to make a little bit of money. All right, so now the question is, what are we gonna do with this? I mean, we got to a big target that we were looking for. I mean, we're looking for pullbacks to buy into this thing, but I'm very leery of this harmony zone number one, which is resistance. So what I want to see is a deeper pullback, and then we'll start looking for the next rotation. So either they pull back and give me a higher low, or they bust right through zone number two, which is 50 by 60. So they break 60, 60 and a quarter. Then the pullbacks become a lot better as far as buying. So where we at right now is this. We are actually on equity high today, right now. We started at 460. We gave back in that mess that we got into. Then we came all the way back up to equity high. So let's figure out a way to push for more, if the market is giving it. Khaled, Safe, how you guys doing? Zacharias, Robert, any trades? SNK, any trades, or watching the craziness here? Yeah, watching? Yeah. see how they're doing switch trades right here. I mean, they're getting tired. So most likely we're gonna get a pullback. I'm gonna wait. Yeah, MKO. Juan, no problem, man. Let's figure out a way to win here. All right, we expected we expected a little bit of a pullback, and we gotten it. So in a way, you really have to break 375 and a quarter in order for the momentum to truly shift. You know, so look at that. Woo! Longs, baby, longs. That's the longs. The longs are doing it. That's what I want to see. Okay, well, fuck. Let's see here. We hit the FOMC number 377 and a quarter. I want to see a pullback. Man, that was a good pullback, but it was crazy. I mean, I can do this. Here we go. Come back here. And we will talk. I'm not gonna buy at Globex. I'm just simply not. I may be missing a trade here, but I need a little bit of space. Yeah. Pullbacks are buyable, guys. That's what the market is doing. That's the switch trade right here. I'm just gonna avoid playing the game around Globex. Globex is notorious for choppiness. We're at target number 4, and that's another thing. Target number 4. So we want to be patient here. I mean, I may be missing a trade, but it's too much risk for me to be buying up here, then looking for a decent pullback, then looking for a structure that is gonna hold. Okay, so here we go. They're back and forth toward Globex. Good, good, good. I mean, I hope they flush it. I mean, I hope they flush it right here. Don't do this to me. Oh, yeah, that's not good. So I have to take it down here. I'll give myself a chance. Crap. That was quick. I had to flat it. I had to flat it right here. I mean, I like it, but it just, you know, that move up and that pullback again, that's just, I needed to flatten that. I'll give it another shot here in a minute. That was a captain set up long too. Damn. Oof. It's violent. It's violent. It was a good entry though. It was a good entry. You tried to get in? Yeah, it's just crazy, man. It trying the micros versus the minis. Here we go. If they go to 37 and a quarter, I'll take a shot at it. There'll be a switch trade here, and that should push us to the 85s, 90s. Okay, so they didn't do that. I'm canceling that order. Another captain set up long. Another captain set up. So now there's two of them in a row, and that is going to be huge, guys. I mean, I'm just tempted to really like get super aggressive and just start buying some shit here. Okay, let's not get too cute. Let's not get too cute here. Oh no. Oh yeah. 60. That's ugly. I gotta put my stop right here. And it is what it is. 15 points is 15 points. It's a decent stop. Yeah, I gotta protect myself here. Yeah. Come on, baby. Let's go. Yeah, it's they're fighting. They're fighting. If they hit that level, here we go. That's good. That's good for me. That's actually reduces my stop to here. So now I'm only taking a 10-point stop. And I'm looking for a punch back to Globex. And then we can see if we can make better headway. Otherwise, I'll take a 10-point stop and move on. Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. So what we're getting here is a retest of harmony zone number 1, and they're coming on at it hot and heavy here. They're coming at it real fast. So we're testing harmony zone number 2, so that has to hold. The zone between 25 and 15 has to hold. And when it holds, so look what they're doing. They're taking it to the bottom end of the harmony zone and they're bouncing it right back up. So that shows a little bit of buying interest. You don't want to see prices under 15. That will change the personality of the market. So the question is, what will get me long again? Or what will get me to think in the terms of shorts again? The longs, you got to break 67, then pull back and give me an entry point. Or you're going to be, for the shorts, you got to break 15. Anything in between, it's going to be a market in transition. Like right here, they're putting on a switch trade. You can't get anything above 51, 52, that's 51 and a quarter. 51 and a quarter. You can't get up and above 50, 51 and a quarter, which is from here. 50 and a quarter. Oh, a point. Yeah, so they're going to flip it. Yep. $51 and a quarter to 55. Wow. Here we go. See that? That's a good thing to the longs. It's very good for the longs. Now, if I want to take some risk, let's see here. Those will be 2 spots that I gotta take risk at. I mean, they're fading against the Globex. My stop is going to be, damn it. Here we go. Yeah, that sucked. Okay. That's fine. I'll take that stop. I don't want to be too big if they drop it below 40. They're trying to hold on to, yeah, I mean, that's 2 switch trades in a row. That's not good. That's not good. Okay. Yeah, that's all right. 2 stops in a row. Actually, 3 stops in a row. So I'm going to take a pause and just let this area of noise work itself out. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Boom. So now we're breaking the 15. Well, welcome to the club, Pro. Welcome to the club. Welcome to the club. So 30. I mean, I'm typically a lot more conservative than this, but here we go. 30 and a half. Let's break 30 and a half. That will lend us into a move. Yep. And that's a protection against harmony zone number 2. Like right here, it's uncle point for this market. If we break this level 15, then we're gonna close the 200 into Rinko. If we break anything above 30 and a quarter, then we're gonna get a little bit of a push upward to the 40s. I'll play that game. All right, so yep, that's the uncle point right here. Yeah, they're not liking this. I mean, you're running into this captain setup long, so that should put a little bit of a pause to the price. Yep, that's no go. That is a no go. Okay, canceling this order. That the 200 NT wrinkle is going to close lower, which is under 300. We're going to start looking for run-ups as a shorting opportunity with caution. All right, so how we're going to play that game? Cautiously. Here you go. Let's see if I can get a run, somewhat of a run. I mean, you're going to get a run here, then 25, then 35, and my average would be 25, and that would put me in a position to where I could go break even and start moving for lower prices. Let's see if we can play that game. So, yeah, look at this captain setup. Yeah, they're going to pause it right here. They're going to run it up. That's good. I may push mine a little bit further out because the moves are extreme. Here we go. Here you go. Come on. So that's what I had my order initially. Can I get a little bit more? Okay, that's not what I wanted to see, but you know, whatever. Come on, push. Come on, no, don't do that. Took one out, still have one, flatted one, and I want to see a push, man. Flatten this trade altogether. That's okay with me. I didn't like that switch trade, but that's fine. I mean, they could make it work. Flat is a flat. I'll take it. Good for them. Good for them. They got me on that one, right? For the flat, but yeah, it worked. Worked big time. So that was the first test of the Harmony Zone number 1. All right, Captain, set up on the 70. Oh, look at these bastards. Woo, baby. This market will bring the gambler out of you. Just tell you this much. It literally will bring the gambler out of you. All right. So there is an interesting proposition going on here in this market. So the shorts are, I mean, like literally, you see how they took out the shorts just to the tick and then ran it up. That's just a short hunt and the recovering from it. They ran the short stops and they just literally flipped and just ran. And then they put a captain setup on the 70. They're you know, I mean, a big buy would be 370, 675. If they flip that, that'll be a captain setup on the on the 200 NT Rinko. Right now, you're getting a market that is still short on rallies. No matter how drastic these rallies are, this is still a market short on rallies. Where would we change our opinion? You start breaking anything above 45. Okay, that's a 3%. That's a 3% move right there. All right. So actionable price. What time is it? It's almost 2 o'clock. We got going on 332. 332. You break 330. Let me see here. You break 331, 331, 332. Okay. If you do that, then that's a captain setup switch trade long on the 70 NT Rinko, and that will put a little bit of stability to this price action. If we get to that 30 level. We're stuck in a range between 300 and 330. That's basically what this market is doing right now. You break anything under 300, then that's a whole different ball game. That would be a market that I would be shorting. $21. Yeah, no. A higher low. Do they dare? Do they dare put in a higher low? Yeah. I'll take a shot at it. And that's not what I want to see. Damn it. 16. They're going to take me out here, huh? I'm gonna put my stop right here, and that would be it. Either they're gonna work or not. If they, yeah, here we go. That's good. That's good. That's good. Just keep going. Nope. Yeah. Yeah, I may want to stop trading this. Yeah. This don't follow through. I mean, that here we go again. Yeah, look at that. You have channel number 1, channel number 2. Okay. $96.75. You break 96.75, I am gonna get aggressive on the short side. And my stop will be 37. So that's gonna be a wide stop. So I gotta accumulate in a tighter range. Here we go, 96. Okay, come on now. Run up anywhere, run up. Run up here, run up there, run up anywhere. Come on now, don't do that. Let's go, let's go. So they're running the stops. Just want them to run up a little bit more, up to the above the 300. Here we go. 24 is my stop. Okay, let me see here. 24, 24, 25. My target is 275. And my stop is 226, 223, and 31. I'll add to it if we get to this 97 again. $14. Take one here. Come on. I was trying to take out another one, not both of them. But that made a little bit of money. Well, we needed to do a little bit better on this. Yeah, I was trying to get out of one additional one, not all of them. Damn it. Watch this one run. And we're going to be looking for that target of 275. Maybe we'll get another opportunity to jump back in. It's 207. I'll take it here. And let's see if I can get down to 75. Come on, baby. Don't pause. Fucking, it paused. I'll take it though. That's fine. 275 is the target. They're pausing right ahead of it. You know, I'll take a profit here. I think 10 points. Yeah, they're gonna get there. They will get there. Boom. Let's go. They can't like stop right here, can they? I mean, they close this candle lower, then we're gonna hit 75. Here it comes. We're gonna flush right here. Oh, that's not good. Nope. I mean, if they close this at 85, I'll just literally go long against that low. Thank you. I mean, because that would be too easy. I mean, that's just way too easy right there to make it look like that. Because right against that target, I mean, as far as the stop is concerned, my stop is very clear, where it's going to be literally like one tick under 75. That should do it. Okay, well, back to that level, and we hit it. They just wanted to trap some more. So literally, we made money going short here. Even this was, I just needed to give it a little bit more room. I wasn't willing to do that, but we got short here, made a little bit. We got short here, we made a little bit. We got long here, we made a little bit. The next target is 250.25. you have a whole lot of distribution area right here between 323 and basically 300. So as long as we continue to hold on to that zone right here, we should be heading lower. As long as we don't cover and start trading between that, 15 to 25, as long as that's not happening, this price action is going to move on to the next target of 250 and a quarter. Okay, take care. All right, we got ourselves a captain set up. Let's take a look at the big picture here. I mean, rallies are shortable into the close unless we break 590. I mean 290. Next target is 225 and a quarter. Harmony zone number 1 is 275 by 285. We're looking for 300 by 310. If they close this candle at 57, I'll give it a shot. Ooh, well, I'm not too fast for that. That's too fast. That's too fast. Yeah, they're trying to stabilize the price here. They're putting a captain setup switch trade. That's just a buy formation right here. So the expectation is to see a push to the middle of the range to 67. I mean, that's fine if they turn this candle. Now you're looking for a one more candle back up. And I will put an order right here. And I'll do one here. If we break anything under 50, I will cancel that order. Nope. Okay. Order canceled. Nope. $225 coming up. Boom. Here we go. Target is hit. Target is hit, and the next target is 200. 15,200. no. There's a lot of noise going on here. A lot of noise. We'll take small stops, move on. That's 38. That is, what is that? That's 4. £3 okay. Toward the end of the day, they typically are. I mean, look at that. That's basically what I'm talking about here. We should be seeing a push higher. Yeah. That's what we're doing. Okay. You're seeing a switch trade on ES. You're getting this trapping behavior that they've done here to switch trade on the 30. I mean, this is a market that's going to go to the 55.60 level. And that's what, you know, the rationale behind my entry. It just did one more rotation, and I'm trying to keep it very, very tight in my my stops today. So 55.60 is kind of the target to this rotation. We should be able to get there. Here it comes. The 200 and the 100 are out of sync, so they're gonna get out of sync around 60. Yeah, here it comes. I mean, it's just, good Lord. I just had to kind of survive a little bit of this noise. Okay, we're about to close the 100 into your wrinkle, and then, you know, I'll buy the pullback. I may have to get a little bit more aggressive and wider stops, but we'll see. And then the stop would be under that. Okay, well, fuck. Yeah, coming hot. Ooh, baby. And the stop is right here. And let's see if I can get in here. Yep, come on, come on, come on. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. took one contract for a flat, and I still have one contract left. So we're looking for a push. And let's see if I can get anything more substantial out of it. At this point, I'm going to go break even. And I want to see if I can get all the way to 300. I know that's a little bit too aggressive, but I mean, this is kind of the end of the day type of trade where if they hold on to the prices, you're going to get a bit of recovery. And that recovery has to take you at least above 65. So my entry would have a lot of, you know, a lot of weight, meaning that's going to hold up. So it's worth it for me to give this a shot and see if I either get stopped out for break even or I make something big happen. Yeah, of course they're gonna take me out, right? Come on, baby. Save the day. Save it. Save it. I'm not gonna add to none of this stuff right here. It needs to clear the 65 area before I even contemplate. And we got 2 minutes to the bottom of the hour. You break 52, that will be really good. That will position me for a switch trade on the 30 NT Rinko. 52, thank you. So my stop goes to 38. I'm not gonna move my stop. I'll leave it exactly where it's at. But you know, I'm hopeful to see 60 come out of it, and that will put me in a good spot. Here you go. Here you go. Keep it going. They keep digging into it. They keep digging into it, man. Keep digging into it. I mean, that's fine. I may get stopped out, but I mean, I don't care. Again, it's worth a shot for a bigger target. Was worth a try. It's worth a try. Okay, so they closed the 100 in Rinco, and that gets the market back in sync on the short side. Yeah, we hit our target of 200, and the next target is 175. Khalid, 175. Well, after that, I mean, if you want to look at the bigger picture, you have a target. This coming target is 175. The target after that is 154.75. Then on a swing trade basis, you're looking at 952.50. So you got all these targets ahead of you. You have to remember there's a Globax at 189.50. And that's from August the 27th. So that's something that the market's going to respond to. Then you got the 175 target. Then you have such a empty space all the way down to 15,030. So there's a lot of downward potential to this market. Yeah, Juan. Yep, they all getting taken out to the woodshed and spanked like they should. How's everybody else doing? You guys are putting on any trades? Juan MKO, I know you're good for the day. Good job, by the way. Pro, how you doing? All right, they're putting on a captain setup long, and what time is this? 2:40. I mean, it is really kind of as just a fade. It's not a bad idea to gonna test this water right here for a reversal. SPX, yeah. I look at SPX. I have a Thinkorswim account, and from time to time I play SPX in there. Where are you trading the SPX at? Yeah, see that move right there. Now I need to. So that could be the bottoming of toward the close. This is the bottoming behavior toward the close. I mean, you have such a distance between where we at all the way to 25, and the market just like really sold off. So let's see. I'm not gonna be jumping here. Weeble, okay. Have you thought about doing it with Thinkorswim? They have really a great platform for SPX. All right, let's see. $93. Okay, so canceling this order. Cancel this order. Yeah. All right. That's the last trade of the day. Let's see if we can make something out of it. My stop should be right here. And we are going to look for a run. And I'm gonna look for, come on, good for them. Took one off. Yeah, they're still weak. 18, 17, 14 points. Okay. What time is it? 45. Here we go. So that's a 45 algo. We should see some movement. You have 45, and then you have the 50 algo. Really? Holy crap. Okay. I mean, they saved me on that one. Let's see if I can get up there again. If it doesn't, it doesn't. That's okay with me. Now the question is, where do I add, if I anything? We have 3 minutes to the 50, and the 50 is a bigger algo that is active. I mean, I should be looking for 200s and 210s, and against that, basically a 14-point stop. They're gonna come and get me. Or they look like that's what they're trying to do, but It's worth the risk here, so I'll just keep it exactly where it's at. And if they stop me, they stop me. It's just one contract, and I can. Yeah, here we go. To see, that's a good positive thing to see happen. Oh yeah, let's go, let's go. Here we 210. It's not much to ask for. 210. Two ten, 220 actually. Yeah, 220 to 220. Then once we break anything into 205, I'll go break even. Or they can come and stop me at 74 half. One of those two things gotta happen. That's the 250. That's the 250. That's the algo that I needed to be, careful with. Oh, you bastards. Don't flip it. Flip it here. That's it. Just flip it. Flip it all the way. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay. So that's the algo that just came in at 250. So that hopefully will put buoyant us above the 200. And if we get above 200, then the 205 is going to be a good possibility. I like it. Okay, so they're fading the whole number and harmony zone number 1. They're not nice at all. They're not nice. Come on, come on. And that's an ad here, and then we're looking at a break of the 200, and the stop actually kind of gets a little bit tighter at 80, but I'm gonna be patient here and see if I can. I mean, in this run up to 200, I may just punt one out just to kind of help with the trade and help pay for it. But we should see a little bit of a push. $89, yeah, 15 points on 2 contracts. That's $600. Let's see if I can get rid of one. Come on, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I mean, they're going to try to fade against that whole number. I'm going to get greedy here. Yeah. Okay, so I took one off and just leave the second one alone. Let it play out for the targets that we talked about. So I mean, you know, against the whole number, they're gonna play around with that level for a little bit. The question is, do I want to go and just kind of call it a day on this trade, or give it a little bit more room? To be honest with you, it's really worth the risk of them coming to the low of the day and take me out, versus a run up toward the 20s and potentially 50s. You know, so I understand the environment is negative, but there's a lot of the oh Jesus, here we go. Maybe this conversation doesn't need to happen after all, huh? $55, that's another algo. Okay, well, if they come and get me, they come and get me. Good for them. Oh yeah, here we go. Yeah, I'll be surprised if they don't stop me out, to be honest with you. Bye bye. All right, well, that was worth a try. That was worth a try. That was worth a try. It was worth a try. Next target is 150. We're coming up to it right here, and guess what? This is the the old FOMC number of 135. So they're coming down all the way to the old FOMC number. The new FOMC number, let's see if I can find it actually. We're about to hit that number. Yeah, look at that. I think it's, here we go, just to be exact. Yeah. Well, no. You have a PA account, Khaled? Is it a PA account? Okay. So you're gonna make 2,600. Not 3 grand. Stop trading and ask for a payout. Unless you're trying to build up the account to something bigger. But if this is the first time you get paid out on from Apex, don't get cute with their accounts. Just literally just go ahead and get paid so you could get a feel for what that means. So that will leave you in the account. You can take 2 grand, so it'll leave you $636. Okay? And then you could work that out, or you could maybe wait for the next month to get paid on it after you make 10 trading decisions and throughout 10 days. But you can get 2 grand off of that account by requesting a payment. What's your plans for it? All right, 365. I mean, my question to you is, I mean, are you trying to get paid, or are you trying to make the account grow further? What exactly are you trying to do? Okay, then don't take any additional risk. No. They pay. Don't worry about that. I got paid from Apex before. A bunch of traders in the room get paid from Apex. There's no question about Apex paying people. So get that out of the equation altogether. Okay. So now, as far as you getting paid, just literally stop trading, stop taking any risk. You need it to be above 2,600 in order to get to qualify. Now you qualify, and just make that request. You just go. Do you know how to do that? I'm sure you kind of do. Okay, so this is how it works. So this is prior payouts that I got paid from Apex on my accounts. Okay, so I have 3 payouts right here. So you go in here, you select the account, and you put the amount. and that's all you got to do. So you come to your account, go to request payout, click in here, boom, put the account in, put your two grand, click request. It's gonna go pending for a few days till they look at your account, make sure that everything looks right, and then it goes to approved, and then that's that. Make sense? Congratulations. It has to feel good. That feels good. All your hard work paying off. All right, guys, 3 o'clock, 3:05. That's it for me for the day. And this is how this ended up. Down 392. We're as much as started with 400, made it up to 600, and that last batch of prices got me to that. And this is where we at for the month. So that's my second down day for the month so far. Not bad at all. We're up to 52.78. And that concludes my day. And we will see you guys bright and early tomorrow. You guys have a blessed one. Take care, Khalid. If you have any more questions, just send me an email. You know my email, so just send me an email. I'll help you with it. See you guys tomorrow.